Today we are going to discuss about a question which is related to buoyancy and flotation. It is the next video which is related to buoyancy and flotation. So this is the question. Given that a metallic cube 30 centimeter side and weight 450 Newton is lowered into a tank containing two, two fluid layer of water and mercury, top edge uh, of the cube is water and water surface and determine the position of the block at the water mercury interface when it was reached equilibrium. So it is asked about the cost. It is asked about the position when the the body is in equilibrium. Then what is the position of the body? So let's start the solution of this question. So it is given that there is a tank which is containing two layer of fluid. That is one is water and another is mercury. So it is given that mercury which is present in the tank and the water which is present in the tank and in the upper face of the tank, water is containing in the upper phase of the tank, and that is water, and it is the mercury. It is the mercury, that is Hg mercury. And whenever this type of condition occurs and it is the body, here Archimedes principle is used. What is Archimedes principle? Archimedes principle says that when the body is in floating condition, or when the body is immersed in the water, then the amount of the weight amount of the water displaced, which is equivalent to the Buoyancy force. So in this case it is given that in, in this case it is given that the weight of the body, that is 450 Newton, and the density of the mercury is 13600, that is that we know. And in the side of the cube is side is 30 centimeter. And how can we calculate the position when the body is in equilibrium? So when the body is in equilibrium, then the amount of water displaced and the amount of the mercury displaced is equal. That is the body, and here the water, and here the mercury. So that is x. So this portion is equal to x, and it is 30 minus x. This portion is 30 minus x, and here according to arithmetic principle, buoyancy force Fv, that is Fb, buoyancy force, is equal to weight of the water and mercury displaced by the cube. Weight of the water and plus weight of the mercury, amount of the water displaced by the mercury and the water is equal to the buoyancy force. And here if we calculate Fb, that buoyancy force is equal to 450, equal to what is the amount of what is the value of the weight of the mercury or weight of the water. Weight of the mercury to weight of the water equal to rho gv. V, that means volume, that is weight of the mercury or weight of the water which is displaced. So in this case 450 equal to rho gv of water plus rho GV of mercury. So what is the value of rho GV of water? Rho GV of water equal to 1000 into 9.81 into what is the volume of volume of the water which is displaced by the cube, that is I'm taking the side in meter, that is 0.3 into 0.3 into x. 0.3 means 0.3 meter in meter. And what is the value of rho GV of mercury? Rho GV of mercury is equal to 13600 into 9.81 into volume. What is the volume? Volume, that is 0.3 into 0.3 into 0.3 minus x. 0.3 minus x. So here if we equate this into the weight, then into the Boyle's force, then we can get the value of x. So that is 450 equal to 0.3 whole square into 9810 into x plus 0.3 whole square into 0.3 minus x into 13600 into 9.81. So if we calculate, then we can get x equal to 28.3 centimeter, 28.3 centimeter or 0.283 meter. Whenever you calculate,